this morning, I didn't sleep at all. Today I'm making history, I'm picking up my car. I'm going into space, man, don't know when I'm coming down, but I'll send you all a message when I'm passing my old town. So tell me, why is it we're never happy? Everybody wants to be an astronaut and take the long, tall trail into the stars. Everybody wants to show a brother what they got. Everybody wants to be an astronaut. I can feel my body shiver, the lights are everywhere. They marvel at my heartbeats inside the atmosphere. And I'm looking at the world in a way you never could. I knew I'd be a traveling man, but I misunderstood. So tell me, why is it we're never happy? 'Cause everybody wants to be an astronaut and take the long, tall trail into the stars. Everybody wants to show a brother what they got. Everybody wants to be an astronaut. Don't you tell me that I never, I will show you what I'm made of. Ready for the EVA, come on, let's go outside and play what you say. Everybody wants to be an astronaut and take the long, tall trail into the stars. Everybody wants to show a brother what they got. Everybody wants to be la la la.